Welcome everybody. Let's get it. Welcome in. Why is crypto crashing? That is the big question. So we're going to handle it. We're going to talk about it. Yeah. What's going on, guys? What's happening, guys? All right. Welcome, guys. AI Wolf is in the house. Why is the crypto market crashing? What's going on? Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Good morning, everybody. Love the blood. Me too. Me too. Me too. This is the opportunity we've been waiting for. That's the way I look at this, guys. 100%. 100%. This is the opportunity we love to see. Welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. We're going to get into it. Down 20K today, not scared. I love it. I love that sentiment. I love that energy because we have conviction. We are in the game, baby. We are in the game. So welcome in, guys. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us here. Make sure you guys smash the like button on your way in. We are diving deep into it. I got my coffee this morning. Made a video before the live stream, 2 reasons crypto is crashing. And I wanted to expand upon that a little bit in the live stream a little bit. Talk a little bit reasons why the market's down, what's happening. So we'll give it a quick second just for people to file in. But we have 2 big reasons why the market's crashing. Crypto Breakfast Club coming up after this, of course, on X. You guys know the drill there. I'm down 14K. Take advantage of these opportunities. Buy the dip. Time to DCA, Paul says. AI Wolf is a member on the channel. Thank you so much, brother, for being a member. Appreciate you, bro. All love. Scared money, don't make money. John, you're right. You are right. So let's talk about it. It is very, very clear, in my opinion here, why Bitcoin is falling, of course, leading to the overall market falling. It's very, very clear to me what's happening here. There's 2 big reasons. Number one is a reason to be afraid, create uncertainty and fear. So nothing has really happened, but it's just creating this fear and uncertainty. The other reason is actually legit. And the good thing here is, in my opinion, both of these reasons are short-term, okay? Both of these reasons are short-term reasons why you shouldn't, and why you shouldn't be freaking out. My ears have been popping like crazy. All right, so the first reason, let's talk about it. It became very clear why Bitcoin fell. We had an official statement from Mt. Gox. Now, Mt. Gox obviously was one of the biggest crypto heists way back in the day. But this massive selling pressure on Bitcoin has continued here. We fell below the 200-day moving average. We talked about this. If we broke the 200-day moving average, things were going to tumble. All right. So the first reason why crypto is crashing is Mt. Gox fear and uncertainty. So that is why Bitcoin right now currently at 55,200. Now keep in mind, we dipped all the way down to 53,000 and some change. So we have bounced off that a little bit. But it became very, very clear with Bitcoin's price tumbling, dropping into the $53,000 range. We had some latest selling pressure was from the Mt. Gox official statement coming from Mt. Gox as some of the Gox wallets became active again and started moving Bitcoin. So again, this is more fear, okay? This is more fear and uncertainty than anything concrete. But the fact that this Bitcoin started moving started freaking people out a little bit. All right. So this is the first reason. Mt. Gox creating their wallets or having their wallets that were created and them becoming active again. All right. That invoked a lot of fear in the markets. Guys, as you're coming in, smash that like button. We appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. You guys know the drill there. Definitely do that. We love seeing new faces here. Let me know if you are new. I love knowing kind of who's coming in and who's new subscribers to the channel. So here's what we've got. This is a notice coming out on July 5th today regarding refunds in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash from Mt. Gox. On July 5th, 2024, the Rehabilitation Board repaid certain rehabilitation creditors in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So this is money that's just been transferred to other people. That doesn't mean they're going to sell. In fact, if I were getting that money back, I wouldn't be selling because I'm going to have high conviction on Bitcoin. That's just me, unless you need the money, right? But repayments to other rehabilitation creditors will be made immediately when the following conditions are met. Number one, confirmation of the validity of registered accounts and other matters. Number two, designated crypto exchanges acknowledging the intention to subscribe to the agency acknowledgement agreement. Number three, Rehabilitation Board of Trustees and designated crypto exchanges completion of negotiation regarding these payments. And then four, confirmation that refunds can be made safely and securely. And they say we ask eligible creditors who have not received payment to wait for a while. So this is what happened. Mt. Gox begins their repayment schedule. This news came out today, and it's creating a lot of fear and uncertainty in the markets, thinking that when these people get repaid, they're going to dump on the market. Nobody knows that, okay? Nobody knows that. But again, overall here, this is short-term, short-sighted. I'm thinking much more into the future here with Bitcoin, right? This is very, very micro considering how many big negative stories we've had in the past that are way bigger deals than this. Way bigger deals, okay? Keep in mind too, when people sell their Bitcoin, when people slowly sell off their Bitcoin and this type of thing happens, there's fear in the market, it's a falling knife. There are a lot of people chomping at the bit to buy this dip right now. Big institutions, okay? Governments. Now we do have a government who is selling their Bitcoin. We'll talk about that in a little bit because that's big reason number two why Bitcoin's down. So reason number one is Mt. Gox. If you guys are just joining us, repayments are started. Okay, that's created some fear and uncertainty. Short-lived, short-term, I'm not worried about it. Now, one that is a little bit more concerning and honestly just kind of stupid when you ask me, has to do with the German government and Bitcoin, guys. And this to me doesn't make a lot of sense, okay? So at the same time Mt. Gox is repaying people, the German government is basically in the midst of selling 50,000 Bitcoin. Now, at last check, we've already seen 10,000 Bitcoin sold. Mt. Gox is giving 142,000 Bitcoin back to investors. Some may sell, but I think most of the people are going to be long-term holders here and understand what's at stake. But what this does is it provides a ton of opportunity for people looking to get more Bitcoin, right? Because there is a finite supply. There are buyers and there are sellers. So when there are sellers, there are people waiting to get in here and get in at a much cheaper price. So all this does is create an opportunity for us. All it does is create an opportunity for retail investors to stack their chips. And obviously big institutions are going to come in and scoop up Bitcoin as well. So at the end of the day, this to me is very, very clear that this is short-term, short-lived. Now, we talked about Mt. Gox. So again, we've got Mt. Gox giving back 142,000 Bitcoin back to their investors. Some people may sell, but for all those people who sell, there's going to be buyers. But the German government, this to me is just stupid. They're selling 50 Bitcoin on the open market. Now, smart governments are not selling their Bitcoin, they're accumulating. I mean, look at what things have been done in El Salvador just by them simply buying and hodling Bitcoin. And just naturally, we need a natural pullback in the market during bull markets. It is a natural thing that we want to see because it opens the door for new faces and new people to come in. Now, Germany right now continues to keep dumping their Bitcoin. And the thing that they're doing that is absolutely stupid, in my opinion, they're not only selling their Bitcoin at these levels, but they're selling their Bitcoin on the open market. Now, they could be selling their Bitcoin over the counter, but instead they're selling their Bitcoin on the open market, meaning it's public, it's hurting the price, and they seemingly don't care. Now, a member of parliament from Germany has recently spoke up on this and said, what the hell are we doing? I mean, they're taking a big L here. I agree, Tobias, 100%. And good morning to everybody. Joe's in the house. Good morning, Zach. I believe this also has to do with Mt. Gox. Correct. That's what we had talked about right before this reason. There's two main reasons. And I talked about this on my video that's on my channel this morning. If you guys haven't seen that short little clip video, it's on my channel right now. Posted less than an hour ago. Two reasons why crypto is crashing. It's Mt. Gox giving back their Bitcoin to people. Some may sell. Okay. But then Germany, this one just throws me for a loop. Okay. Germany must be broke. Exactly. I mean, they can't fathom. I don't get it, honestly. I don't understand it. Now, over 1,000 Bitcoin was dumped yesterday. Over 1,000 Bitcoin was dumped yesterday. The German government still owns over 40,000 Bitcoin. That is $2.5 billion. Now, will they continue to dump? I don't know. But it looks as if they were actively selling yesterday. And this is all on the blockchain. The German government, I mean, just rifling off, 500 here, 500 here, 600 here, 1.5K Bitcoin here, which to me, just not a very good look. Now, I don't think they're going to go ahead and sell the rest of their 40K. I mean, they want to have some stake in the game, don't they? I mean, you would think. So, of course, that selling pressure forced us down below the 200-day moving average. Then that triggered a lot of sell-offs just from the algorithms and the big traders, right? So it was kind of a cascade effect downwards after the German government decided to start rifling off their Bitcoin yesterday, all right? So again, German government dumps 1,000 Bitcoin. They still have 40,000 Bitcoin remaining. It's a lot. And I think by the end of the day, there are some reports out there that the German government ended up selling about 20% of its Bitcoin. Now, maybe they stop there, right? Maybe they stop there. Now, if the German government does not stop there, we're going to go lower. Okay, we're going to go lower. So we have to brace ourselves that we might go a little bit lower for the next few weeks. I mean, this is definitely an aggressive move by the German government, and it looks as if they need money. Okay, they were selling throughout the week and pausing throughout the weekend, so we'll see if they pause this weekend. But this selling pressure actually started 2 weeks ago, but they started slow. And if they keep selling 1/10 of their holdings every week, let's just say they do that like they've done here. If this trend continues, we could be in store for about 7 to 8 weeks of downward pressure on Bitcoin. I'm not saying go sell everything. I'm saying prepare yourself for that potential, because that's what it is. It's an opportunity. So prepare yourself for that opportunity if this were to happen. By the way, welcome into all the new people here, everybody joining the live stream. We appreciate you here this morning. Hopefully you had a good 4th of July if you're in the United States. And we are back here Friday, July 5th, talking about why the market's crashing, giving you guys the alpha, If you guys want to give back, there's one easy way to do so. It's subscribe to this channel and smash that like button. And we got more for you here. We got more insight here and more details. So we're going to continue to unravel this and unpack it for you in real time. Appreciate all the new people subscribing. We are getting close to 148,000 here on the channel. Now, the German government still holds roughly it's hard to tell because the numbers are kind of floating here, roughly 2.8 to 3 billion worth of Bitcoin. So you have to make a plan as an investor. Are you going to be DCAing into Bitcoin, DCAing into your top altcoins? Because as Bitcoin tumbles, we know how this game is played. Altcoins will fumble and tumble too, okay? And the fact that we don't have 100 likes yet is crazy. We have 500 people here. I don't know. I don't understand why we don't have 100 likes. Guys, hit the 3 little dots. I know it's weird to find here, but smash the like button. Let people know we're here. I'm dollar cost averaging every day. I have been doing that since April of 2022. Now, if we want to unravel some more of these, to this story here, we did get news yesterday. As the news came out that Germany was, rifling off their Bitcoin, Justin Sun from Tron, hilarious. Justin Sun from Tron says, I'm willing to negotiate with the German government to purchase all Bitcoin off market in order to minimize the impact on the market. And what he's talking about here is, again, it's not just the fact that Germany is selling their Bitcoin. Okay, that's one thing, whatever. You can agree to disagree on that. I disagree with that. I personally think that's absolutely, crazy. The fact that they're selling off their Bitcoin at these levels, that's just me. But the fact that they're selling off their Bitcoin on the open market instead of over the counter, that is what's baffling to me. That is what's baffling to me. Why not sell it over the counter? So Justin Sun from Tron says, hey, listen, I'm willing to negotiate with the German government and I'll start purchasing Bitcoin. Now, that was an interesting little story there. So 1 hour ago, we just got this news. Basically, the German government still has over 2.3 billion Bitcoin. Mt. Gox has more than 8 billion. I'm actually going to tweet this out. Important info on Bitcoin right now. This is all because of Mt. Gox fear and Germany selling BTC on the open market. So the German government still has 2.3 billion worth of Bitcoin, they're saying. Mt. Gox has more than 8 billion, and the US government has over 12 billion. So the US government still has 12 billion Bitcoin. They basically have 6x the amount of Bitcoin that Germany does. Now again, if Germany's going to continue this sell-off like they have been doing for the last couple of weeks, we're going to have more downside. There's no doubt about it, unless we have just crazy amounts of buyers coming in. But again, this is short-lived. This is just Germany being stupid. They're going to drop these prices down for, people to get in at premium prices. And this market will be driven higher by the smart investors who buy the dip. It's as simple as that, guys. It's very, very simple in my opinion here. And we appreciate everybody rocking with us here this morning. Good morning to you guys. If it's your first time dropping in, we're explaining why the market's crashing, what's going on with Bitcoin. 2 main reasons. We've got Mt. Gox repaying, its Bitcoin out. That's creating fear and uncertainty. It's not to say those people will sell. Some people may. But then we've got Germany being really stupid and selling their Bitcoin on the open market, which to me makes 0 sense. 0 cents at all. Okay, just to kind of highlight where we're at. And we're going to unpack this a little bit further, give you guys more details on this as well. As we get closer to the top of the hour, make sure you guys smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely does help us out. We are nearly at 148,000. I would love to hit that number today with your help. We are inside 100 followers or subscribers here on YouTube needed in order to hit that mark. So if you guys are enjoying the content, please give back in that way. It's totally free to do so, and it definitely helps us out. So with that being said, we've got some other things to look at, all right, with this Germany thing, okay? We're going to be tracking the wallets. They're already doing that. So a lot of people saying, oh, it's only Mt. Gox, the repayment schedule triggering Bitcoin plunge. It's really not. It's more about the German government actually dumping right now. It's more about the German government actually dumping their Bitcoin. With the whole Mt. Gox stuff, we'll see what happens there. There will be some people who take profits, blah, 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 you know. Now, in terms of where Bitcoin could go, we don't have much strong support from where we are, except we have a little support at 52,000. We have a little support at 52,000. Now, we have not went back down and tested that just yet. We're currently at 55,200, but we do have a good, decent support at 52K. And then in addition to that, we've got really strong support at 44,000. And if you guys are just tuning in, Mt. Gox has transferred 47,000 Bitcoin to another address. The German government is selling Bitcoin. We don't know if they're going to sell all 50,000 Bitcoin, but they've already sold around 10,000. And this news came out late last night. This is as of like 10 o'clock last night. Bitcoin recently traded at a discount on Coinbase after the Mt. Gox news and sell-off. I mean, it was at a discount everywhere. BTC spot premium has declined by about 50%, indicating a spot sell-off driving prices lower. And a short squeeze could be in the cards here. There are a lot of people floating around the crypto is dead narrative. I'm sure you guys have seen what the hell is the guy's name? Peter Schiff, who's all about, gold. He's been very, very active, of course. These are bullish signs for the market. When they say ETFs are a failure, crypto is dead, there's no altcoins in this cycle, I love to see it because these people don't know what the hell they're talking about. These are the people who get wrecked. Now, short term, obviously, if Germany continues to offload their crypto, yeah, we're going to have lower prices in the short term. But all it is one big opportunity to accumulate a government's Bitcoin. You could basically buy up the government's Bitcoin, Germany's Bitcoin that they're dumping on the market right now. Thanks, Germany. Thanks for letting me get a better position. Thanks for letting me accumulate. So it's actually a beautiful opportunity, in my opinion. And if you're not looking at it as such, you just don't have a long-term mindset in this game. And a lot of people will come in here and say, Zach, I don't buy Bitcoin, it's too expensive. I disagree with that wholeheartedly. If you don't buy Bitcoin yet, that's fine, but you should have a plan to drive profits into high conviction, lower risk plays like Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's my opinion, not financial advice, but that's how I play this market. I play the altcoin and meme coin market in order to stack more Bitcoin and Ethereum at the end of the day. That's really what it comes down to. Why? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only solidified asset classes in this space right now. Everything else is speculation. It's speculation. And make that money speculating in crypto. But it's not the same as acquiring Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long term. right? That's a different type of feel. It's a different type of investment. That has always been my sentiment with crypto. And yes, we have some small cap cryptos pumping right now. Shout out to Shibnobi on base, Shinja, 550K market cap. It's up 100% despite all of this happening. Shibnobi on base, absolutely crushing it. So that's great to see. We're in that one. We got in early. We made that public at like 10K market cap. They're bringing back the old Shinja on base. It's pumping nice. I'll post the chart there. There you go. I just posted the chart for you guys. So you guys can check that out if you're interested in that. So we do have small caps going up still, despite all of this, happening. And at the end of the day, this is just one big opportunity. It's one big opportunity, guys. And we know this as crypto investors. We understand what's happening. Marvin on base hasn't even started yet either. Yeah, EMAC, I've heard about that one too. We've talked about that a little bit. Go get some real altcoins. Oh, dude, I have a ton of quote unquote real altcoins. But even the real altcoins, how real are they? I mean, we don't know exactly. I mean, I think there's some in a class of their own. Chainlink right now under 12 bucks, amazing. Amazing opportunity. Dogecoin under 10 cents. Solana under 130. ETH under 3,000. Polkadot, $5.50. I mean, Caspa, we've absolutely crushed it on this trade so far. I love Caspa, Daddy. Yeah, I've got a ton of it. Daddy Chill, yeah, ton of it. We started buying it at 4 cents, like crazy. If you subscribe to this channel, you would know that. I mean, if you watch my first Caspa video, we bought it at 4 cents. So if you guys aren't subscribed, I don't know why you aren't, because I went full-time in crypto in 2021. I don't always get it right, but we have a lot of good calls. We have a lot of good calls. Hoppy is seemed to be the next king. I mean, even this Shibnobi on base that I just talked about, guys, I made it public on X at a 10K market cap. So if you're not following me on X, the link's down below for that. We'll have our Crypto Breakfast Club coming up at 9:30 after this live stream, so you guys can all follow us over there. We'll be rocking and rolling there. I will pin that post right now for the Crypto Breakfast Club, so you guys are ready to go. Let me pin that post. There's that right there. I will pin it. That's the pin Breakfast Club post right there. That'll just stay right there for the rest of this live stream. Make sure you guys check us out. We're going right there after this. Where's the golf shirt? No golf today, man. No golf today. Too busy just grinding, man. I was up at 6 a.m. I've already got 3 hours in of work. Drinking my coffee, and I'm going to go relax a little bit today, but I need to get my 5-6 hours in, and I do this on the weekends too, man. We grind, Saturday, Sunday, I get my 4 or 5 hours in the morning, and then I go relax, because crypto is at a point right now where you've got to dedicate a ton of time and energy toward it if you really want to win big. And guys, welcome into all the new people. We are 50 people away from hitting 148K. 50 more subscribers. I think we're going to get it here on the stream. I'm pretty confident. We got a lot of new people coming in. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button too. And welcome to the show, baby. Welcome. Love to see it. Love to see it. And this already has been, a crazy, crazy year in 2024. And guys, keep in mind, Bitcoin, with this news, just experienced its second largest liquidation event ever. This is the second largest liquidation event ever. You got Mt. Gox moving Bitcoin, getting ready to repay, and then the German government selling it on the open market. They were moving their Bitcoin to exchanges. Obviously, when we see that amount of Bitcoin move to exchanges, we know what's happening. Now, could there be some collusion here with Mt. Gox and the German government? I don't know, right? I'll leave that up to you. What do you guys think? But for us who went through 2021 in those depths of the bear market, we're not nervous. You know, new people coming in might get freaked out by this. I'm already getting a ton of messages, ton of text messages, phone calls from people who just recently got into the market in 2022 and 2023. Zach, what's going on? Should I sell my Bitcoin? I heard about the German government. I'm like, guys, they want you to freak out. They want you to sell it and offload it and create fear and uncertainty. Do not let them get in between your ears. Do not let them in. You don't have to let them in. You can think for yourself. Why is Germany selling? I have no idea, Aiden. To be honest with you, I have no idea. I think it's a really stupid move. Now, if they just end up selling 20% of their Bitcoin holdings, which that's where they are right now, they've basically sold off 20% of their Bitcoin holdings. They still hold roughly 2.5 billion. If they just stop there, then okay, you've offloaded 20% and now the rest you're going to hold long term, like take your profits kind of deal, right? Okay, right? That's cool. But if this continues, we're going to see more downside risk on Bitcoin. Like if they start offloading this for the next, it would take 7 to 8 weeks if they did what they did these last 2 weeks to offload the rest of their crypto. We're going to see more downside risk. Like that would definitely happen. Now, will it happen? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. But to me, it's not a good move. It's not a good move at all. Especially selling it on the open market. That to me makes zero sense. But those who got through 2021, and I know a lot of you have, because I see some familiar faces here too. If you guys were with us back in 2021, we've lived through the worst of the worst with the FTX drama, okay? This is just another day in crypto. And not only just another day, this is a huge opportunity in crypto. Massive opportunity in crypto right now, okay? What's happening? Guys, we're 12 likes away from 200. If you haven't hit the like button, it's totally free. It does help us out. It pushes us up in the algorithm. Hit the 3 little dots. We should be well over 200 people liking this stream already. It really, really does give us a nice boost. So we would appreciate that greatly. And essentially, sorry, guys, I was getting a phone call there. But let's see here what else we got. Welcome in, everybody. Appreciate you guys for rocking here with us. Yeah, this is what's crazy too. They're selling their 40K Bitcoin, or they're starting to sell their 40K Bitcoin. They're selling it for euros. Instead, you should be selling your euros and buying Bitcoin. The euro currency is losing value to inflation. Fiat currency sucks. We all know it. Fiat currency sucks, and we all know it. But these government, it just doesn't make any sense. This is why I say all the time, I don't want to sell my Bitcoin. I don't want to use my Bitcoin to buy things. Now, it could be transactional, obviously, in other parts of the world. Maybe that makes more sense. But as for me in the United States, I want to use and sell or transact with dollars. Sell your fiat, hodl your Bitcoin. But instead, the German government is selling their Bitcoin for euros. Let's face it, the euro could go to zero in the next 10 years. So again, we have these 2 big things happening, guys. Again, it's Mt. Gox starting the Bitcoin repayments and the German government selling 10,000 Bitcoin yesterday on the open market. they still have 40,000 Bitcoin left. Either 40 or 30,000. Do they have 40,000 total? No, they still, okay, yeah, they still have 40,000 left, I believe. Let me get the latest numbers here. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, here it is. German government, and this is as of about an hour ago. German government still holds over 40K Bitcoin after the recent sale. This is shown in on-chain data. The German government has been selling seized Bitcoin, but still holds more than 40K, worth over 2.3 billion, according to on-chain data from blockchain intelligence firm Arkham. These sales are occurring alongside the anticipated Mt. Gox Bitcoin distributions. In response to Germany's BTC liquidation, we've had Tron founder Justin Sun said he's offering to purchase the remaining Bitcoin off market from German government to minimize the impact on the charts. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So guys, welcome in. If you guys are brand new, happy to have you guys with us. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below. As you guys, if you are brand new here, we do these live streams Monday through Friday. So make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell so you know when we go live and put out videos so you don't miss out on any of this. And then every single Monday through Friday, after our hour-long live stream here, we go right to X with the Crypto Breakfast Club. That is linked down below in the pinned comments. That little blue link down there from me, that is a link to our Crypto Breakfast Club Twitter space or X space that happens from 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 11:30 a.m. Eastern every Monday through Friday. So be on the lookout for that right after this live stream. So we are less than 20 minutes away from the Crypto Breakfast Club firing up and talking about all of this and getting other people's opinions and having a larger conversation about what's going on. So definitely check that out. And again, appreciate everybody rocking with us. Appreciate all the new people subscribing to the channel. We are just very, very few subscribers away. You guys can help us push us up over 148,000 subscribers on YouTube. That'd be awesome. We are very, very close. I'd love to hit that here in the next 10, 15 minutes. That would be epic. So if you guys want to help us get there, that'd be awesome. Can somebody look, for some reason it says details not available on my space when I'm looking at it on Twitter. Can you guys check that out? Is it okay when you click there? Anthony, we just highlighted for the past 40 minutes why everything is dumping. I'll give you a quick breakdown though. The German government is selling Bitcoin on the open market and Mt. Gox repayments have started. You can look both of those up and find out what's going on, but that's the reason, okay? This to me is short term, it's not long term. This to me is a huge opportunity. It's not the time to freak out. So there you go. Now I want to get a little bit deeper here, see if there's any other news on this, see if there's any new details here. And really the big question here, why isn't Germany selling its seized Bitcoin over the counter? Like they're just selling it on the open market. Yeah, it's I don't know. It is kind of weird. It's very, very weird. It's not market manipulation. I mean, I guess it's really not manipulation. I mean, we have the reasons right in front of us, LGA. There's fear with the Mt. Gox repaying creditors. And some of these creditors will sell some Bitcoin. Like, that's going to be a thing. There's a lot of Bitcoin there. Some of them won't. But then you've got Germany just dumping on the opening market. I mean, the German government is just dumping their Bitcoin. I mean, those are the reasons. It's not a sense of market manipulation where we don't know what's going on. A lot of times it is. A lot of times it is like, hey, what's going on? The powers that be are doing some weird things in the back channels. This isn't that. This is right in front of us. This is right in front of us. What's going on? You know what I mean? I mean, it's right in front of us. But yeah, Bitcoin did sink to like 53,800. We are back up a little bit off those numbers, back up to about 55K right now. The fear and greed index is down to 38. So if you don't think this is a good time to buy, I mean, look at all these indicators. The fear and greed index is down to 38. We have reached a fear zone in the market. But all in all, Bitcoin's still at 55K. We're still in a really good spot. We're still in a really good spot. And this is DCA territory, guys. This is dollar cost average territory. I'm watching Bitcoin very closely here. Guys, I'm looking to make a big splash on Bitcoin at these levels. I'm just trying to see when and if the bottom is in, because our next line of support is 52K. And I know you can't time it up perfectly. I'm already DCAing, but I'm trying to time up as best I can a bulk buy. And how I'm doing that is using XTAlgo, my trading indicator. If you guys are interested in checking that out, xtalgo.com, link down below, 21% discount. I'm using that in order to find a great entry for a big bulk buy. And as soon as that momentum up flashes on Bitcoin, probably on the 4 or 12 hour chart, that's where I'll be taking a longer position. Right now, it's still momentum down, but the last 4 hours we've consolidated a little bit, but we might have another flush, I think, potentially down to 52K. And a lot of it's going to hinge on what Germany's doing. Is Germany done selling Bitcoin? Are they going to stop now at their 20% sell, or 20% of their Bitcoin sell off, or what's going on, right? I'm already buying the dip every single day, but I want to bulk buy here. I want to get a big position here in Bitcoin once I have a little bit more data. And again, I'm using XTAlgo. That's my trading indicator I had built. So it's a 30-day money back guarantee. You guys can check it out. The link's down below if you're interested in looking at it. I would highly encourage you guys using some tool like this. If you're not going to use my tool that I've had created, which works, find somebody else's and use it. I'm telling you guys, it will help you immensely, okay? If you don't want to use mine, find somebody's to use. These trading indicators for these, big position calls and big moves, it's going to help you immensely in the markets. We're still up 31% year to date. We're still up 81% in the last year, calendar year. I mean, we're still in a good spot, guys. This is still a good macro spot. Keep in mind, back in 2021, we had a big dip after the first big run up, and then a bigger run up after that. This is that opportunity, I think, on the Bitcoin chart, in my opinion. This is basically where we are. So, guys, we are roughly 13 minutes away from our Crypto Breakfast Club over on X. That's where you can come up and join the conversation. We'd love to have everybody here on this live stream. If everybody came over there, we'd have 400 plus people on X. Why wouldn't you come right over there in 12 minutes and join us? The link is down below, right there. That is the link. Just click that link. Make sure you're following me on X. If you guys aren't on X and on X Spaces yet with crypto, you guys are missing out a ton, okay? I'm telling you guys, people, don't let me just tell you. Other people in the chat, tell them how great the Crypto Breakfast Club is. And listen to the folks that drop in comments. Watch. I guarantee some people will drop in and say how much it's changed their life. It's changed my life. I mean, I've learned a ton from the Crypto Breakfast Club. So many great minds are bouncing in there and adding insights every single day. So we're going over there in roughly 10 minutes, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We do it every Monday through Friday. So you do not want to miss out on that. I'm telling you guys, you're going to absolutely love it. It's a phenomenal space and just some great minds. The Breakfast Club is lit. EMAC knows. Going to be a good club today. Don't miss it. 100%, Jerry. You already know. And EMAC's talking about XT Algo and how it's helped him. Appreciate you, EMAC. Yeah, a ton of people have been using XT Algo this year. We launched it last August. It's been an unbelievable tool for so many people. And we appreciate all of the new people, new subscribers to the channel, guys. Thank you guys so much. We are literally 10 people away from hitting 148K. So if you want to help us get there, that'd be awesome in the next 2-3 minutes. We're 10 people away. So if 10 more people subscribe, we jump up to 148,000 on our way to 150K and then beyond. Go to X. It's fun. Cisco says great for knowledge. 100%. 100%. I know Real Dominican will be there. How can we get XT Algo? The links are down below, xtalgo.com, if you want to check that out, xtalgo.com. But the link is also down below in the description, xtalgo.com, if you're interested in that. Good morning, Brian. How you doing, man? Brian is a member on the channel. What's up, Brian? How we doing, brother? Monka S in the house. Yes, Monka S looking good as always. Shibnobi's pumping, man. The new Shibnobi on base. Talked about it at a 10K market cap. It's 563K. Still early. Still well below $1 million market cap, but it's looking really, really good. XRP's a great buy today. What's up, Zach? How you doing, man? Jeff Rice is in the house. All right, guys. I'm going to go prepare myself for the Breakfast Club. We're going live in 9 minutes. That link down below that you see pinned on the comments here on this live stream, that will take you right to the Crypto Breakfast Club. Go secure your spot right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Ring the notification bell. This is why you subscribe to this channel. We just broke down the last 47 minutes, what's going on with the market. You know, now you have the tools to be successful. You know exactly what's going on here on Friday morning. And love you guys. The link doesn't work. What the hell's going on? All right, we'll sort it out. Come over and follow me on X. I'm going to figure it out right now. All right, I'll see you guys over there.